My name is Robb Wilson. I'm with Wilson Lumber Company. I'm the president and one of 6 owners. The greatest benefit, I think, of having Bill is that he understands my heart and I understand his heart, and he's able to work that into the culture at Wilson Lumber.
My role as a corporate chaplain is to be an encourager. I'm basically given the responsibility to shepherd all the employees at every company I serve, including Wilson Lumber. Every week I visit the company and I do what we call rounds, kind of like a doctor does rounds in a hospital. Sometimes that help is just on the spot encouragement. Sometimes it's some follow-up, walking alongside them as they go through the valley that they're in. I have these conversations all day long with people.
At our truss manufacturing plant, we've been over capacity for a long time. The only way we could figure out to catch back up to where we needed to be was to change the work hours. We announced that change well ahead of time, but we probably, we might have could have done some things to be more careful in the way we announced it, but the problem was it just wasn't received very well. And that was when really having a corporate chaplain on our side really proved valuable.
A lot of people were concerned about the schedule change, and that was my opportunity to kind of, if they wanted to just kind of converse with me a little bit about the personal impact that they were afraid it could have on them. Who am I going to get to watch my kids on the weekend? Or, hey, this is going to cut into my overtime and I'm not going to be able to make my bills or whatever. So for me, what's fun is it's just another opportunity to care and minister God's love and His hope and encouragement to them.
When something goes wrong, when there's a big change like that or something that the employee can't control, there's an immediate feeling of loss of control. That's why change is so hard for people, I think. And Bill is there to say, well, now let's think through that. And he's earned that kind of trust to where he can ask people hard questions and help them think through things so that they don't make rash decisions.
I think employees are a lot happier if they have a chaplain, because where else can you go other than your mom, maybe your spouse, who love you unconditionally? There's not that many people that you can go to in life that will love you unconditionally, that won't judge, but will tell you the truth, right, in love, and will become somebody that is trusted with deep things. I think that any company that is served by a capable chaplain is going to have employees with a higher level of well-being because they're cared for personally down to their soul.
I think maybe some people who sign up for corporate chaplains are like me. They think it would be great for their employee team to have this, while it probably didn't dawn on me at the time how valuable it would be for me to have a relationship with the corporate chaplain. It's been so big, just personally, to have somebody to talk to.
It's a blessing for me to help somebody come to a place of peace with where things are. And I speak for all chaplains when I say that. We love to do that for people.